Today we have the second part of our review on the gelato strawberry cough Trinity spinny device. I don't know if you can remember the other day. I think actually maybe like a week or two ago. I don't know how long ago it was, but I did the gelato. So today I'm gonna do the strawberry cough review. I don't have a ton left, but I have enough to easily do the review. I have tried it already, obviously, but that actually helps because I can give you a better review on how it is, not just how it is from 3 hits. I actually know based on days of actually trying it out. But this will be more of a taste thing, and then I'll let you know what I think overall about the product. But again, this is what it looks like. See, the other kind is pretty much all gone. I mean, there's still a couple hits, but it tastes kind of burnt now because it's literally empty. Um, but the other side, I have enough easily for the review. Probably a couple more smokes, but cheers. Of all the flavors I've tried by them, this one tastes the most like the flavor that it like says. Like usually, say like gelato, for example, had like a definitely had a sweet type like a pastry or coffee, some type of sweet type. I don't know, cappuccino, like I don't know, some type of sweet, creamy type taste, but there was still the weed taste. All of them have the weed taste, but the strawberry cough literally tastes like strawberry, completely strawberry, with almost like, I almost get like a hint of alcohol. Obviously, it's not alcohol, but I don't know what that taste is, but it has like an, I don't know, you'd have to try it to know what I'm talking about, but it's like an alcohol type aftertaste. It's a little strange. Some days that can be off putting. It's honestly not my favorite flavor, but the effects are great. Strawberry cough is definitely a good strain effects wise. But I'll take another one here. I had a call from Comcast coming up there, and I had to end the call. Um, my lungs are a little weird because I quit smoking cigarettes, so past few days I've been a little anxiety filled. My lungs are kind of iffy and can't take as big a hits and stuff, but I noticed when I walked though, I wasn't out of breath as fast, so that made me feel good. One positive of quitting. I mean, there's tons of positives. Besides it just being expensive, I had switched to rolling tobacco, and then I had switched to pipe tobacco, so it was dirt cheap, but that shit's bad for you, and it was killing me, man. So I'm happy I quit. They said I had to quit or I was gonna get COPD because I had some issues going on and they listened to my lungs. So don't really smoke bud that much anymore. I used to be a daily smoker multiple times a day. Now I'm more of a smoke bud once in a while, but I smoke the vapes daily. Hopefully they're not as bad as the propaganda makes them out to be. I don't think they are, honestly. But you never really know, honestly. But, I mean, in theory, I'd rather take 2 or 3 rips of something than 30 rips of something. I feel like common sense would say even if it is bad for you, you're getting a lot less in your lungs with 3 rips of something versus having to smoke an entire blunt or something. Then you're smoking a ton of other shit too on top of it. and you're inhaling a lot more smoke. And this is just vapor, 3 hits, maybe 5 if you're feeling like you want to get blasted. And then some people smoke them non-stop, but even then, I still don't think it's as bad for you, honestly. You can only smoke so much of this before you'll fall asleep. Honestly, excuse me. But I like the gelato a lot more, honestly. The strawberry cost my least favorite one yet. Surprisingly, I thought it would be my favorite, and it was actually my least favorite. Like I've said, I'm not a big fan of fruity flavors. I was surprised I like the gelato because I usually only like the ones that taste like earthy or piney, more of the weed type gassy ones. Um, that's why when the gelato was sweet, but I actually liked it, I was quite shocked. One of the few sweet ones I've ever tried that I liked. There was another one I had tried before. I think it was blueberry donut or something, or blueberry muffin, something like that. And that one was really good too. For a sweet type flavor, and it tasted exactly like a muffin or donut, whatever the flavor was. It was incredible. But I'm gonna take one more, and then I'm gonna let you guys go. Okay, I want to thank everyone for supporting my channel, watching my reviews on vapes and other marijuana products. I hope everyone had a happy 420. I wasn't able to post that day. Honestly, I was so baked and stuff. I honestly forgot. I mean, I was watching other people's videos, and then like the next day, I was like, wow, why didn't I post a video? But that's okay. Maybe next year there'll be tons of 420s. It's always 420 somewhere. But you guys have a good night and stay safe. Happy smoking.